Bluetooth mode.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica Lifestyle there and here. Well, anyways guys, it's been a while I haven't do an unboxing and review in my YouTube channel. And for this time around, welcome back to my channel for the unboxing and collaboration. And I have here a portable speaker, a karaoke. It's JYX-S55, and join with me and stay with me. Let's unbox this together. So yeah, this is a karaoke speaker. Since I myself love karaoke. I love to sing, and yeah, that's one of my hidden talents is to sing. So bear with me and stay with me. Let's unbox this together. So yeah, it's a portable speaker for JYX-S55, and let's open this together. So they have like a shoulder string for your speaker, a manual. They have a manual, and yes, of course, it's karaoke. It should have a microphone. So it has two microphones. There you go. And it has a cord, two cord for the microphone, and this one a USB cord where you can you know, this karaoke is a Bluetooth speaker as well, but you need to charge. And this is the USB cord to make your charge your speaker. So this is it, and this is for the microphone cord. And it has a remote. Yeah, it has a remote right here. And this is the most exciting part. Of course. Help me, it's heavy. There you go. So let me close this first so that it would look a good display on my YouTube, on my video rather. So this is it. It's kind of heavy. Oh my god. Oh, I love it. So I think I might need a cord to plug this one to. I think it already charges this one. Yeah, but this part of the video is to do an unboxing, and let's give like a little review like on this video maybe. So don't you worry, I'm gonna put the link in my description, and if you guys interested like having party, and you can use this karaoke speaker as well, not just for karaoke. And if you have like party, birthday, or you know, any occasion that would having fun with your friends and singing like a professional singer. So yeah, this portable speaker has a good assistance for it has here the manual, and of course it has USB and TF card right here. And I think this is, yeah, this is right here the master volume, and where you can adjust. And here, oh no, this is the master, yeah, master volume. And right here it has like power on button, off, and the USB and the TF card right here, and the AUX-in, and for the, this is for the mic right here, for the two mic. And of course you can put like a phone here, right here. And if you want to do karaoke, you can put right here in your, and this is, I think, the antenna. And maybe we should try this on. So as you can see in the picture, it has like to change the LED light. If you turn this on, it would appear. Yeah, so let me see, let's turn this on. Let me get some like to make my speaker like more higher. There you go, and it's looks looking good. And so this is, let's turn it. I'm sorry, I'm just like overwhelmed because I have before a karaoke speaker and I give it to my friend, and yeah, I need another one because, you know, if once in a while I miss karaoke, and I love to sing. And yeah, there you go. So back to this speaker review and unboxing. So this is, let's turn this on. Oh, there you go. See?
Bluetooth mode.
So that's we just press the power button. So this is like the LED lights once it's on, and it's like, I love the color and it's very amazing. And yeah, to tell you the material of this speaker, it's, I think it's made of kind of wood. It's kind of heavy though, so but it's looks durable, and I would really highly recommend it to my friends to get one. You know, if you love singing, if you like play, and you can even connect to your, I think, to your TV. You can connect to your TV, and it is Bluetooth connection. And when it's on, you just go to your phone Bluetooth to your setting, and then once you see the, of course, JYX-S55, so you just connect, and then there you go. You can have like, go to your YouTube and then start your karaoke. Why not? So yeah, this is already on. And anyways, the mic, I think the microphone, the two microphone, it needs I think AA battery. So I need to get 2 or 4 because it has 2 microphones. So you just have to put like 2 of the AA battery rather. And it has a remote where you can adjust the volume, or like do it like next or rewind or something. There you go. So, oh my goodness, I super love it. And it has like 2 microphone, and look at this. If you want to use this like a beach party, you know, you want to go to the beach and having like reunion, family reunion, high school reunion, or like any occasion, you can just like hold it like that. And it has like look at this, it has a handle, like it looks like attaché case or like a small luggage. Look at how amazing, you know, it's looking fantastic, my dear. And yeah, I think, yeah, this speaker, it has like 2 inches no, it's 5.25 inches speaker. So it's kind of, and it has a sole in the bottom right there. Look at that. So it's like you can put in your living room, or beside of your bed. Maybe perfect at the living room, you know, like putting your sound. Or if you want to sing, me, I love to sing like in a closed room, like in my bed or a living room, because, you know, sometimes it's Like I love to sing, like singing it loud. Why not? Like from the top to your lungs. You know, it's nice to sing that way. So yeah, look at that. And it has like two microphone, a remote, a cord, and I have to figure it I have to tell you this um the truth. Like I was like I figured it out how to, you know, turn it on. It's drives me not to. Oh my god, I was like worried because when I turn on the power, it didn't work. So I did my research, and the thing is it was low bat, so you can charge, use this cord, and as you can see, there's behind the power, behind the power there's a USB cord, and then plug it there. And then if you see like you have to plug it here like that. So you have to plug, and then if you see a red like button, that means it's charging. So let it charge for a while prior to the event, or prior to like using, and for you to use it. So you have to charge this one for at least 30 minutes or 30 to 1 hours based on my experience. So you have to charge it when you get this, when you get your own karaoke, especially for this unit or model, which is JYX-S55. So yeah, that's my advice for whatever, to my friends and subscribers and my fans out there. If you want to purchase this one, the portable like JYX-S55, so that's the technique, is you need to charge, and you need something like this for you to charge, and then put it there like that. Let me see if I could let me see. Oh my goodness, let me see if I can charge right here. Reach the plug. So you just need to plug the USB there and then charge it first before using. So yeah, I'm so happy, and I have this karaoke. And if you guys like, wherever, like if you need collaboration and promote, you know, don't forget to message me and for collaboration, and you can email me. So that's it, guys, and thank you for watching. And I'm gonna put the link on my description with this product. And bye for now. And this has been Erica Lifestyle saying to you, enjoy the rest of your day and merry plenty.